This video will show you how to find articles using the database ScienceDirect and in OneSearch. Let's start with ScienceDirect, which is a subject-specific database that has 2,500 journals and over 33,000 ebooks that focus on social sciences, life and health sciences, as well as engineering. From the library's homepage, click on the Research tab at the top. Select Databases by Subject to see a list of all the databases the SCC Library subscribes to. Subjects are listed alphabetically, so scroll down to Science on the bottom right and select ScienceDirect.
Once you're in the database, use the search bar at the top to type your search statement. For this video, we'll search with the keywords vaccination or hand hygiene and influenza or H1N1.
The results are listed in the middle of the page. Use the limiters or filters on the left side to narrow your search results. Expand the years list where you can see how many resources are available by publication year. If you want to see only information from the past 10 years, select Custom Range and type in the year range. You can also refine by types of resources. For example, you can choose encyclopedias, book chapters, or articles. ScienceDirect specifies the differences between research and review articles. For this example, let's choose a review article. Once you have your limiters set, scan your results. When you find one that fits your topic, click on the title to go to the full article. I can read the abstract or summary of the article, and if it sounds like a good source for my research, I can use the outline on the left side to jump to different sections. If this is an article I want to use for my assignment, I can save a PDF copy of the article to use later. I can return to my results list to find more resources and change my search statement if I have new keywords. Continue mixing and matching keywords to find the information you're looking for. Now let's try searching in OneSearch. OneSearch searches the library catalog in over 150 databases. Return to the library homepage and enter your keywords into the OneSearch search box. Let's use the same keywords as we used in ScienceDirect.
When I get my results, I look around to see what I found. Remember to use the limiters on the left. When I select Available Online, I'll see results that are articles, ebooks, and streaming videos. I'll click on Articles under Resource Type or below the search bar, and then click on Peer-Reviewed Journals. To make sure I'm looking at recent information, I can add a year range to search in only the last 10 years. Did you notice there's a filter for review articles? While you can use the filter to find review articles, you still need to identify what type of review article each one is. Also, since there's not a filter for research articles, you must be able to identify those types of articles from the list of results as well. When you find an article that looks interesting, click on Get PDF or View Online or Available Online to navigate to the article. You can always reset filters or start a new search. If you need help with your research, contact SCC librarians or use the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat service from the library homepage.